Good evening, class. So in this video, I will be showing you how to get the values of your random variable. Alright, so these are the three basic steps in getting the values of your random variable. So first step, we just have to list the sample space. Second, you just have to count the required random variable by using a table. And then, step 3, you just have to make a conclusion out from the table you have created. Okay. Pero, how are we going to list the sample space, count the required random variable? Alright. So, in the previous lesson I sent you, I gave you a technique or method on how to get the values of your random variable, which is called as the tree diagram. So ngayon, I will be showing you how to make a tree diagram. Okay? So, wait for a while. Ayan. So, tree diagram. So, tree diagram is a visual way on how to get the values of your random variable. So, when I say diagram, therefore, we will be using arrows or lines connected to some points. Okay. So, we will be using the sample problem in our previous video, which is suppose 2 coins are tossed, and we would like to determine the number of tails that will come out, and let x be the random variable of the tails that will come out. Alright. So una, para makagawa ka ng tree diagram, dapat alam mo kung ilang object yung gagamitin mo. Okay. So, in our given problem, ilan yung object na gagamitin natin? Yes. So, sinabi doon that we are going to use 2 coins. Okay. So, therefore, kapag 2 coins ang ginamit natin, magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang connection. Kapag sinabi namang 3 coins, magkakaroon ka ng 3 connections. And so on and so forth. Okay. So, in our sample problem, ang ginamit ay 2 coins. So, therefore, meron tayong 2 connections na makikita doon sa ating tree diagram. So, paano natin gagawin yung connections na yon? So, this is the coin. Yan. So, gagawin ko na yung first connection. Yan. So, in a coin, syempre, we have 2 faces, which is the head and your tail. Ayan. So, you can use a line or you can use an arrow sa iyong diagram. Ayan. So, this is the first connection. Sabi ko kanina, meron tayong 2 connections since we are using 2 coins. Ayan. So, therefore, meron pa tayong connection na isa. So, saan mo i-connect yung pangalawang connection? Ayan. So, i-connect mo siya doon sa bawat faces doon sa first connection mo. So, una, dito muna sa head. So, gagawa ka rin ng head at saka tail. Meron ka pang isa dito? So, ganun din. Gawa ka ng connection. And, of course, you have your head and your tail. Okay. So, since we use 2 coins, therefore, we have 2 connections. Okay. First connection, second connection. Nakuha nyo ba yung pag-create ng tree diagram? So, pag sinabi niyang 3 coins, syempre, magdadagdag ka dyan. Kunyari, ganyan. So, yan yung third connection mo. Ayan, syempre, dito sundan mo. Ganyan. Head, tail, head, tail. Okay? For example na, meron kang, 3 coins yung ginamit mo. But in our problem, we just use 2 coins. So, therefore, hanggang 2 connections lang tayo. So, tanggalin natin ito. Ayan. So, since we're done with our tree diagram, pwede na nating kunin yung ating sample space. How are we going to get the sample space? So, ngayon, titignan mo lang yung magkakadugtong. Okay. So, una, ito at saka yon magkadugtong. So, therefore, ang ating first sample space ay head and head. Ito yun, magkadugtong. Yan. Then, balik ka ulit dito. May kadugtong rin siya doon. So, ang ating second sample space ay head and tail. That is our